Hi, guys. We're offering you a dialogue between two friends who haven't seen each other for a long time. After the dialogue, you'll learn how to ask questions in English and the difference between the simple past and the present perfect tenses. Enjoy!
John, wow. John, it's you. I can't believe it.
William, is that really you?
And you haven't changed a bit. Well, maybe a little taller, right? How are you, my friend? It's been how long?
It's great to see you. Last time I saw you, you had even less hair. Must be 6, 7 years? Since college, right?
Yes, in London. 7 years. Incredible.
It's so good to see you. How are you? What are you doing in Paris?
I live here now. I work in Paris. But first, please sit down. What can I get you? Coffee?
Coffee sounds good. Black, please. Do you remember that party we had during freshman year, when someone set off the fire alarm?
Oh, don't remind me. That was chaotic. We almost got into trouble.
So, Paris. I've always wanted to visit. How's life?
But yes, life is good, thank you. Paris is beautiful, even if it's expensive. After college, I came back to France. I studied economics.
Economics. That sounds interesting. I started working immediately after graduation. Do you remember that apartment we shared in Mile End with the leaking roof?
How could I forget? Everything was humid.
Good times. Good times.
And what about you? What are you doing these days? Are you still playing soccer?
I wish. My knees aren't as good as they used to be. I work in IT, believe it or not. Not nearly as exciting as scoring goals, but it is a good job. What about you? What kind of job do you have?
I work for a bank doing investment work. It's interesting, but sometimes it can be stressful.
A banker, that's great. You were always so smart. I found math very hard. What about you, Will? Do you play soccer sometimes?
Sometimes, yes. I play with old friends. I'm not as talented as you are, but it's fun. So are you married? Do you have a family?
Not yet. I'm still looking for the right person. What about you? Are you married?
Yes. I got married 2 years ago. My wife is wonderful.
Congratulations. Do you have any children?
No, not yet. Maybe in the future. Do you ever see our old friends from college? Do you know what they are doing now?
Occasionally. I know that Peter became a teacher. He told me that it was his ambition.
So what brings you to Paris? Are you here on vacation or for work?
Yes, a little of both. I'm here for a conference, but I'm also taking some time to see the sights. I particularly wanted to see the Eiffel Tower. Have you been there?
Of course, many times. I can recommend some good restaurants.
That would be wonderful.
What about the future? Do you have any plans?
Well, I'd like to travel more. See more of the world. Maybe live in another country for a while. What about you? Any big dreams?
I would like to write a novel. I've been working on one for years, but I never seem to finish it. I'd also like to learn to play the guitar properly.
So, writing a book is your dream?
Exactly.
Do you remember that time we tried to cook a roast dinner in the dorm kitchen? It was a disaster.
Oh, the smoke alarm, the burned potatoes. We almost burned the kitchen down.
It was so crazy.
John, it's been great seeing you. We should do this again soon.
Absolutely. Let's not leave it so long next time. Could I have your phone number? I'll be in Paris for a few days. Let's have dinner tomorrow.
Of course. Here's my number. What time are you free tomorrow?
I'm free at 7 p.m.
Great. So, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, John.
Goodbye, William.
1. How to ask questions in English. This dialogue is full of questions. In English, there are two main types of questions: yes, no questions, which get a yes or no answer, and open questions, WH questions, which ask for specific information. William asks, "Are you married?" This is a yes-no question. John asks, "What are you doing these days?" This is a WH question starting with what. To form these questions, The verb is to be. Just invert the verb and the subject. Example, are you happy? If the verb is not to be, use do, does, did. Example, do you want some coffee? Example, past, did you go to the party? For WH questions, place the question word at the beginning, then use the yes-no structure. Example, where do you live? Example, what are you doing in Paris? These forms appear throughout the dialogue and are very natural in conversation. Final tip, practice making questions about real life. Asking questions is one of the fastest ways to start real conversations. 2. Past simple versus present perfect. These two tenses often confuse English learners. Let's make it simple. Use the past simple for actions that happened at a specific time in the past. Examples from the dialogue. I got married 2 years ago. I studied economics. We almost burned the kitchen down. These actions are completed and have a clear time reference. Use the present perfect to describe. 1. Experiences no exact time. 2. Actions continuing into the present. 3. Recent past with present effect. Examples from the dialogue. It's been 7 years. Duration until now. Have you been there? Experience. Structure reminder. Past simple, subject plus past verb. I lived in London. Present perfect, subject plus have, has plus past participle. I have visited Paris. Signal words. Use past simple with yesterday, 2 years ago, last week. Use present perfect with ever, never, already, yet recently, so far. Final tip, knowing when to use these tenses makes your stories and experiences sound more natural in English.
If you learned something from watching this video, please like it and subscribe to discover more lessons to improve your English.